Okay, children, let's continue with the next part. Do we see all the objects due to reflected light? Does it happen? So kindly read it. Ananya Jain, continue reading. After that, Priyanshi, you will. Switch on your cameras only, then you are going to read. Continue, Ananya.
Reflected light can be reflected again. Recall the last time you visited a hairdresser. He makes you sit in front of a mirror. After your haircut is complete,
From the top, do we see all the objects due to reflected light?
Okay, ma'am. Do we see all the objects due to reflected lights? Nearly everything you see around is seen due to reflected light. Moon, for example, receives light from the sun and reflects it. That's how we see the moon. The objects which shine in the light of the other objects are called illuminated objects. Can you name some other such objects? There are other objects which give their own light, such as the sun, fire, flame.
Okay, continue.
Such as the sun, fire, flame of a candle and an electric lamp. Their lights fall on your eyes. This is how we see them. The objects which emit their own light are known as luminous objects.
So children, I'm sure you have read about luminous and non-luminous objects earlier. So nearly everything you see is seen due to the reflected light. Okay. So one thing is clear, whatever you are seeing in your surroundings, that is due to the reflection of light. Moon, it reflects light from the sun gets reflected, only then we are able to see the moon. So moon, exactly what is it? It is not a luminous object because it does not have its own light. It is a non-luminous object. Okay. So sun, fire, flame of a candle, electric lamp, these are the luminous objects. Okay. So one is there. I have a question. Can the reflected ray be further reflected if incident for on another mirror? Now the question is there, yet we have read that only one time the light is reflected. Now the question is, does it reflected many times? Dekho, suppose in the barber shop, now what happens? One mirror is in front of it, the bigger one. And second mirror, the barber wants to show you the back side of your head. He keep the mirror at the back. Now what happens? There are multiple reflections takes place. With the help of that multiple reflections, we can see the back side of our head. Is it clear? Similarly, children, when the ladies get ready in the parlor, they want to see the backs of their hair. Even same way, they use the same mirror. Back mirror is also there, or something they had used the back mirror. आपने किसी शॉप में जाके देखा होगा, बहुत से ये हमारे शॉप्स हैं जहाँ पे बार्बर की शॉप है, स्पेशली पार्लर्स हैं, उसमें क्या है, बोथ साइड मिरर्स होते हैं, फ्रंट एंड बैक मिरर्स आर देयर, सो दैट वी कैन सी ourselves from both the sides. Okay, Vanshi, continue now. Reflected light can be reflected again. Priyanshi, you have to switch on the camera if you have to read. Ivanshi, continue. Not able to hear, Ivanshi. Not audible. Tanya, you may read. Tanya, switch on your camera. Okay, continue reading.
Recall the last time you visited a hairdresser. He makes you sit in front of the mirror. After your haircut is complete, he hold a mirror behind you to show you how the hair has been cut. Do you know how you could see the hair at the back of your head? Paheli recall having constructed a periscope as extended activity in class 6. The periscope makes use of two plane mirror. Can you explain how the reflection from the two mirror enabled you to see objects which are not visible directly. Periscope are used for submarines, tanks, and
Submarines,
also for
submarines.
soldiers.
But a periscope is a
Submarines.
device in which we are using two mirrors and the reflection takes place. I will show you the periscope also. Reflection takes place and we can see the what is happening on the above surface. So in submarines, tanks, we especially it is used by the soldiers when they have to see from inside the outside view. They are using the periscope. So here also the concept of multiple reflection takes place. Next comes multiple images. So kindly read who wants to.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, continue.
Multiple images. You are aware that a plane mirror form only a single image of an object. What happens if two plane mirrors are used in combination? Can can you now explain how you can see the back of your head at the hairdresser shop? This idea of number of image formed by mirrors placed at an angle to one another is used in a kaleidoscope to
It's a
make
kaleidoscope, yes, to make numerous beautiful
to
patterns.
you can also make a kaleidoscope yourself.
So children, you can make your own kaleidoscope. See how to make a kaleidoscope. So this is figure 16.6. 3 rectangular shaped mirror are required. और तीनों मिरर्स को आप ऐसे अटैच करोगे, ट्राइंगल बना लोगे उसका. ठीक है. One side you will be covering it with the translucent sheet, and from one side you will be putting any colored things in it. Colored things means like the beads of the, like beads, colorful beads you can put, or the small pieces of bangles you can put inside it. And from this side you will be covering it with the transparent. Now you rotate this kaleidoscope, okay, and beautiful pattern can be seen when we will be watching the kaleidoscope. So kaleidoscope also work on the principle of multiple reflection. Multiple reflection takes place means one after another, too many reflections takes place. So I hope the concept of multiple reflection is clear to you.